So today we're installing a Forge Motorsport short shifter on my GR Corolla.
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Threw up by some pills, I don't trust my own body. You would take a shot and you took her to Chrome Palace. It only took me one car, got a dome at it.
Alright, so you're gonna tighten this up.
I'm rocking white and gold, it look like I got my time.
You're gonna take this, you're gonna put that in there. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna set it to how you want it. The more it's that way, it's gonna be shorter. More this way is gonna be longer. So I have it kind of set right to the middle. And then you're gonna take this, you're gonna put this on through here, and then you're gonna wanna take this as the washer and put it right there. And then they give you this little lock. So you're gonna bring it around, put it underneath, and put it right here. You're gonna take your red nut, you're gonna just twist it on there, and then you just use that to tighten it up.
I don't trust a soul, I don't trust nobody. Threw up by some pills, I don't trust my own body.
So that's the install on the Forge Motorsport short shifter.